All right, so let's go through the exam from last semester. We noticed I didn't love some of the things about it, but we'll talk about that as we go. So our very first question here is just asking us to find a derivative, and they've even told us what rule to use. That's very unlike me to tell you what rule to use. I tend to do that when I would like us to be able to see that versus another method and hopefully be able to confirm our answer. So product rule, we know we need if we want to be slow about this, we could write down, we take the derivative of that first function times our second function plus the derivative of our second function times our first function. I will not do that again. I can't believe I spent the time writing that out. So derivative of our first function, 3x squared, times our second plus the derivative of our second function, which is don't really need that, 10x times our first function. And then it does say that we need to simplify our answer, right? So we have to go through and look at this and be like, all right, fine. Let's distribute, clear our parentheses, 15x to the fourth minus 9 over 2x squared plus, sorry, really, 10x to the fourth plus 70x. And then we do have some like terms here. So let's go ahead and combine those. We have 25x to the fourth minus 9 halves x squared plus 70x. And while we're here, let's just go ahead and do number 2 because it's about the same function. But this time we're told to distribute first and then take a derivative. So it looks like I need to keep my function for a second. If I were to distribute, we are going to get a 5x to the fifth plus, I'm going to minus 3 halves x to the third plus 35x squared minus 21 over 2. Okay, so that was just distributing this original function up here. Okay, so let's go ahead and now take our derivative. I'm going to leave our answer to question 1 visible. So if we take our derivative and we go ahead and make sure we have a prime notation to say, hey, we've done it now. Just a straight power rule question. Multiply that 5 out in front, we get 25x to the fourth. Multiply that 3, 9 over 2 x squared. Multiply that 2, 70x. And then we have a constant, which we know the derivative of is 0. And so here we arrive at the same answer as we had for question 1.